Good morning. This is Brandon with the Trails We Roam, and today I am replacing my Raxiom switchback headlights for the third time. So I will show you the reason why. It's the third time within a year, probably within like 8 months, and I'll show you the reason why and let you know what I'm going to do different this time to hopefully prevent this from happening again. So as you can see, there is a nice thick residue inside the housing. It may look like fog or some kind of condensation, but it fully dries out and it is just a haze. Same with this side. So even over here, just all of it is pretty messed up. Now these are the Raxiom switchbacks, and I know they're not like the most expensive headlight out there, and I bought them for that very reason. I don't want to put in $1,000 Morimoto headlights. I love the way that these look. I just need to get them to perform a little bit better as far as preventing this crap. So I've used the warranty to get these replaced now for the second time, and I will be doing some modifications to them to hopefully prevent this. So I think this was caused by going up in elevation and then coming down, and there not being enough pressure release. So we basically just added some venting in the back and modified one of the vents that they had. And all right, well, I'm gonna get these things pulled out and replaced, and we shall see what the results are in the future. So we have this vent right here, and we have one over here. So they come with these little rubber caps, and as you can see on this one, it's vented from the side there, and this doesn't go all the way up, and so that it can allow some air escape. But I don't think that this is doing enough. So what we did on the other side is I cut a hole in the top and then used a Morimoto patch here. So this is like a Gore-Tex style patch, allows vapors to escape but not go in. So we did that, and on this side I'm going to just use the rubber cap again, put it back on. But here we're going to drill a hole in this area and use these Morimoto bolt-in vents. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is that I put the nut on a little bit of packing tape so that it didn't fall down into the headlight assembly and I lose it. And this made it much easier to just get it started, and then I peeled it away to finish tightening it up. We also used a little bit of Oracle headlight sealant to put a bead around the outside of the headlight, just as a little added protection. I didn't do it all the way around, but anywhere the original sealant wasn't being pushed out, I added a little bit of sealant about 2 days before this, so it had plenty of time to cure. And here we are, new headlights installed. Let's hope we don't have the same issue.